Welcome to my home. I'm Chef Carl, and today we're going to learn how to do the salsa. I'm sorry, I'm the food whisperer. Oh yes? Yes. Oh, we're going to make salsa. Okay, my mistake.
Chef Carl, food whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So you can prep most of the salsa ingredients a day or two ahead of time and just put them in little containers, or you can make them all on the same day. Now, what I got in each one of these containers is 1 cup of chopped vegetables. I have green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, and red onion. And then we're going to have, see, 1 cup exactly. I'm not going to do it with each one, you'll just have to trust me. We're going to have about 2 to 3 cups of tomatoes. It's not an exact science. You can use all green peppers, you can use all yellow, whatever you have, use what you have at home. Let's put this peppers, onions in the bowl. And I've washed my hands, and I have sanitizer here and soapy water. I don't wear gloves because I break out, and when I do, I usually chop part of the fingertips into food. So, and apparently it's time to start the program because the chimes are going off. You can see already how pretty this looks. Now we're going to do some tomatoes. Now I got a little gadget here. It's called tomato shark, and you just spin it around, boom, chaka-laka-laka-laka. So we're going to slice the tomatoes. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife. You can see how this kind of glides right through it. Now the easiest way to dice tomatoes, and the quickest way, stack them up like a bunch of poker chips. Boom, 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 spin them, boom, 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 boom. You don't waste anything. Keep your fingers back. And always concentrate on the knife. Now if you have a plum tomato, boom, instead of slicing it that way, you slice it this way. That way you got better slices to chop. So we've got a cup of the peppers, 3 different kind of peppers, but you can use 1, 2. It's all up to you. Oh, I almost took a finger off. And we're making a lot of salsa because I have a lot of people waiting to taste this. And I like to have some myself. So we want to end up with 2 or 3 cups of tomatoes. Just 1. That's 2 cups. But you can put 3 if you want. You have about a half a cup to a cup of cilantro. Put as much or as little as you want in there. And the next thing we're going to do is add almost a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. It was 1 large lemon and lime juice. And this is pretty cool because you can take this here and make it, just squeeze it down, and it catches all the seeds. Okay, we'll save that for later. About, I know that most people don't do this, but I put about 1/8 of a cup. This is a 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, or you can use balsamic dressing. A little salt to taste. Pepper to taste. If you want it hot, you can dice up a jalapeno, but I'm going to just garnish with the jalapeno. And because you're putting vinegar in, I have a stevia to cut the acidity. And if you want, you don't have to put the stevia in. Well, let's see how this looks. Looks like a fiesta. Nice color. So now we're going to finish this off. It's done. We're going to do a little taste test here. Ward, you want to try this?
Thank you.
It's got a nice color. Do my happy dance. All we have to do now, you can either keep in that bowl. Let's use a better scoop. Oh. And if you want to keep the salsa for a few days, add about 1/2 cup of good store-bought salsa. There's no starches, this is all natural. So this makes this vegetarian, it makes it vegan. This salsa without the adding anything will last like 2 days, but usually barely makes it through a party. Garnish it if you're making individual salsa. A jalapeno. The hot part is this pith and the seeds. So you should want to take that out. Put it in the glass. Make it pretty, pretty, pretty. And I forgot to show you how to cut a pepper, so I'll do it real quick. You want to take this white out. I cut it skin size down because it's easier to go through the pepper that way. Just make some nice strips, like sticks. A little extra garnish on there. Make it pretty, pretty. And I took some lemon zest. And that's the whole thing. Fresh salsa for parties. Thank you for coming to my house. This is Chef Carl saying goodbye. And I also want to say hi to all the people from Washburn Chef School where I attended culinary classes. Okay, see you next time for